Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to do another VEGO sponsored video. We're going to unbox and install the retractable hose reel set. It's 130 feet long, the hose. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it and show you what's in it. So out of the box, we have on the left the actual hose and reel. It's white in color. In the middle, right, hopefully you can see pretty well, we have some more connectors for using the nozzle or not using the nozzle. We have directions and a box with the nozzle actually in it. And lastly, we have the mounting bracket. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and place the mounting bracket on, and then we will place the reel into the mounting bracket, and it should be relatively simple procedure, and I'll come back when I'm done. I also forgot to mention the screws came with it, so I'm going to get my hand drill and get to work. So all I'm doing is taking screw, washer, and starting it into the wood. And then from there, taking my socket wrench and screwing it in. Just like that, we have it done. So as you can see, we have it placed in, and it swings out if I'm want to go that way, or it can swing back like it is. Now we take this, remove the covering, and I'm going to connect it to my water source here. And I'm just finger tightening it. And then we're pretty much ready to use it. I'm going to get the spray nozzle and demonstrate it. And there we have final installation. Like I said, it was relatively simple to do. I'm going to go ahead now and pull the hose over toward my car. If you live anywhere in the South and maybe even the North this time of year, you know that we're dealing with pollen, a lot of it. So I have a white car that looks yellow, and I'm going to show you how the nozzle works and how good it is. So as you can see, it squirts real well. And it comes with several your standard sprayer types. All you have to do is just turn here. I like this one the best, so you get all of the pollen off of it. So we're on the other side of the car now, and the hose it reaches, and all I'm doing now is just spraying off the dirt and the pollen. So we're also here at the orchard or the fruit area that we recently did in some videos, and I can spray and water the plants with this as well. And I don't have to take or lose the hose that is on my raised beds. So overall, I am going to love this, and it's definitely going to come in handy. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we installed this. And once again, I want to give a big, heartfelt thank you to VEGO for reaching out to me with this. It will definitely come in handy. If any of you are interested in purchasing one of these, I'll leave my link and discount code in the description and comment portion of the video, as well as the screen. I want to thank you for coming along with me. I really, really, really am going to enjoy having this. The 130-foot hose can be used in a lot of areas in my garden, and also for my cars and other uses. Washing down the house, a lot of stuff, filling up the kids' pool. So all in all, very, very grateful and excited to have it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to respond. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell on, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my video, your family and friends will also. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.